Analyzing cause and effect essays, strengths and weaknesses. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of academic writing, focusing on cause and effect essays. By the end of this session, you'll be well equipped to identify the strengths and weaknesses in sample essays. Let's get started, and remember, practice makes perfect. A cause and effect essay is a piece of writing where the author primarily describes why certain things happen, the causes, and what happens as a result, the effects. It's all about understanding connections between events and outcomes. A well-crafted essay doesn't just list causes and effects, but also engages the reader and provides deeper insights. When assessing a cause and effect essay, look for 1. Clear thesis statement. The thesis should distinctly mention the primary cause and effect being discussed. 2. Logical flow of ideas. Causes should be presented before effects, making it easier for the reader to understand the sequence. 3. Use of supporting details. Specific examples, facts, or statistics can bolster the essay's arguments. 4. Transitional phrases. Phrases like, because of, as a result, and, therefore, help smoothly connect causes and effects. 5. Conclusion that synthesizes information. The conclusion should restate the thesis and provide a summary of the main points. Unfortunately, not all essays hit the mark. Here's what to watch out for. 1. Vague thesis statement. If you can't identify the cause and effect from the thesis, it's a red flag. 2. Lack of logical flow. Jumping between causes and effects can confuse the reader. 3. Overgeneralization. Making sweeping statements without support weakens the essay. 4. Missing or weak transitional phrases. These are essential for guiding the reader through the essay's logic. 5. Repetitive conclusions. Restating the same information without adding value is a common mistake. Try this for practice. Take a sample cause and effect essay. Identify its thesis statement. List the causes and effects discussed. Highlight any supporting details used. Evaluate the use of transitional phrases. Finally, assess the conclusion's effectiveness. By actively analyzing, you not only understand the components but also get a feel for the quality of the essay. There you have it. The world of cause and effect essays, decoded. Remember, the key is not just in writing but in analyzing and understanding what makes a piece effective or ineffective. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be both an excellent writer and critic. Happy learning!